The secret of Alysis. Go to alysis.io. As you can see, this will be your first page. The registration page shows you what your dashboard info will look like. Get started. After registration, you get the client's page, which initially will be empty. Register a new patient by pressing this plus button. You will see that you cannot put patient's info only, codes or nicknames. This is for protection of patient identity. To diagnose the patient, press the diagnose button. When you press the diagnose button, here you will find a page. On the left is the phenomenology to rate. In the box here, where you rate according to severity. The treatment changes or administration, here is where you write the treatment. When you are done, press this button when you are done. To see your rating for inter-rater reliability, press the small arrow shape. This will open up the phenomenology rating criteria for that rating level, minimal, medial, and marked. This is actually a DSM-based scale rating consensual description. When you go back to client's page, once you are done, you shall open a dashboard button. Press the dashboard button and you shall receive all of the follow-up and rating information in one page. The date above, symptoms on the left, the severity also on the left, the medications, the plus sign, the rating of patients in a triangle, the rating of the clinician in a circle. You will receive a nickname and code for the patient, and he will download an app and will inform you about his symptoms, and this will be marked as a triangle of the patient's rating. As you can see, patients and clinicians can think alike. Then there is an overlap between the circle and the triangle. The secret. What is the secret of this follow-up application? It is a translation from a descriptive DSM diagnosis into a neuroanalysis, in short, Alysis, diagnostic brain-related entities. To unravel the secret, press the More Alysis button. You shall receive the brain-related diagnosis for your patient with a schematic drawing and a short explanation. If you scroll down, you shall receive more information about testable predictions of the imaging and the neuromodulation status of the patient.